Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by identifying 50 potential clients that match niche, size, and location. Once done, collect direct contacts, email, LinkedIn, phone, and place them into a simple tracking sheet so nothing slips through. Make sure to prepare a concise 30-60-second value opener plus one quick audit insight you can deliver immediately. This gives you an immediate hook. Don't over-prepare. Start outreach today and refine messages as you get replies. You now deliver proof. Send short, personalized audit snippets and a one-page case summary that highlights measurable wins. Once sent, follow a cold email sequence with 3 touches across 10 days and parallel, LinkedIn messages to reinforce credibility. When prospects respond, book a 15-30-minute discovery call. Use a simple scoring system to gauge intent and budget. During calls, ask about goals, timelines, and decision makers so you can create an accurate, tailored proposal. You finish by sending a clear proposal that lists scope, timeline, fees, KPI, and explicit next steps. Ask for a signed agreement to lock dates. Once signed, onboard immediately with a checklist, access request form, and agreed reporting cadence so work begins fast. If things go wrong, no traction or stalled replies. Troubleshoot by revising the audit insight, retargeting a narrower niche, and split testing alternative messaging. That pivot is often the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.